Do you know that according to our research, the average cost for a single skills assessment costs from $50 up to $500? If you also want a certificate, even not accredited, it will cost you between $200 up to $1,000 more. Well, our question was, how can we offer both assessments and certificates for free to our subscribers? And we found a solution. In this video, we are going to share with you a solution for you to get not one, but more than 20 skills assessment and certificates for free. Let's get started. We have for you 22 skills assessment that you can access, take and certify for free until the 25th of April. The assessments are already available, and you can access them by going at firemugos.com/blog. You can simply access this link, and then look for the posts with Fire Quiz Academy. Each post has a button to access directly the assessment. If you want to check also for other assessments, you can find all the links in the post as well. To take the assessment, you can add your name as you want to appear in the certificate, add your email address to receive the certificate, and then you can start. Please consider that you'll need to reach at least 75% correct responses to get your certificate. We hope that this will be useful to you, your colleagues, your company, as well to your friends and family. And now, of course, it's the VIP area time. We want to thank you for subscribing to our channel and watching our videos. We also want to reward you for this by making you our VIP. This month's password is quiz24. With this password, you can go to firemugos.com/VIP-area and access free resources created for you. Check out also the description of this video. Dear viewer, thanks for watching. We hope that you enjoyed this video. Share in the comments below how many quizzes you made and how many certificates you got. Subscribe to Fire Quiz to support us create more quizzes for you. Take care and see you soon.